All right, so this question is coming from Graham's law of diffusion. It says if 50 cm cube of oxygen diffuses through a porous plug in 10 seconds, how long will it take 100 cm cube of methane to diffuse through the same plug? And they gives us the molar mass of each of the elements. All right, so firstly is to recall the formula, and the formula is rate 1 over rate 2 is equals to molar mass or density, but let's go with density 2 over m1. So this, like I normally give my students a shorter way of doing this, we can say it is volume over time. So this O1 is for R1 over another volume over time. So this O1 is for R2 equals to the density of or molar mass of the second gas, over square root of the molar mass of the first gas. Now, the second thing is to identify the first and the second gas. So the first gas is oxygen and the second gas is methane. So if we apply it to this formula, so what is the volume that belongs to the first gas? The volume here is 50. So this is 50 over, what about the time that belongs to oxygen? Is 10 seconds. This is 10 over, what about the volume that belongs to the second gas, which is methane? Is 100. You can see 100 over, the time is not given, we are asked to calculate for time. So let's say time is T2 is not given, or X equals to, so what is our M2? Our M2 is our second gas. So what is the second gas here? Is CH4, which is methane, over first gas is O2, right? So how do we go about this? So this is the same thing as 50 over 10 and division sign 100 over T2 equals to, now let's calculate the molar mass of CH4. Let's do it somewhere. Molar mass of CH4. If we calculate for molar mass of CH4, we have C plus 4H, right? So this is 12 plus 4, 16. So this is square root of 16 over, okay. So what is our molar mass of oxygen? Of course, oxygen is 16 times 2 because oxygen is diatomic. So this becomes 32. All right. So when we work this out, we have 50 over 10. If we change it to multiplication sign, of course T goes up, so it times T2 over 100 equals to square root of 16 is 4, square root of 32 is 5.8. all right, so this becomes 50 T squared over, okay, 10 times 100 is 1000 equals to 5. So this is 5.8. Oh, sorry, 5.6. So this is 5.6. So the next thing we are going to cross multiply. All right. So if we did cross multiply, we have 4,000 is equals to 4,000 equals to 50 times 5.6 is 280t squared. So make t2 subject formula. So this is 4,000 divided by 280. So this will give us 14.2 seconds. So this is question number 1.